My dear classmates, I am Mohammad Haider Ali Khan and today I am feeling contentment that my trainer Mr. Arshad has given me this marvelous opportunity to speak in presence of you. So let's begin. So this is a story of a person who was born in a small farming village in Japan. His family was very poor and they all lived in a small house with little money. When he was just 9 years old, he left school and started working in a small shop to support his family. He used to get up early every day before sunrise and clean the store, run errands and then look after the children of his employer. So many years later, destiny showed him a new path. He got a job in an electricity company. There, he got interest in light bulbs and in light sockets. So every night he started learning and experimenting on his own. One day he made an improved version of light socket all by himself. He got very excited and showed it to his boss, but his boss was not impressed and said, "Such a product will never work." Even though he was rejected, still he believed in his idea because he wanted to do something on his own. He wanted to start his own company. So he asked his friends. They told him he cannot do it. He cannot leave his permanent job and start his own company because he has no experience with little money or hardly any education. But still he believed in himself. So when he turned 22, he took a big decision. He left his stable job and started his own manufacturing company. He and his wife started manufacturing the light sockets in their small house and they both went door to door for selling it. But no shop owner was impressed and they did not took any orders. Months passed by and still they were not able to sell their product. He sold his furniture and borrowed some money to survive a little longer. Many days he thought, I will give up and go back to my work. But one day in the morning, as the sun rose, he was come out on the streets looking for some orders. He was come out and looking for orders and surviving for one more day. Then came a time. He was almost bankrupt. And when he was just closest to giving up on his dreams, that's where a miracle happened in his life. Out of nowhere, he got his first major order of 1,000 pieces. Now, 100 years after that first major order of 1,000 pieces, his company now has over 250,000 employees with the annual sale of $65 billion. His company's products are now sold across the world. All this was made by a person who has no education or with no money. All he has was belief in himself. His name is Konosuke Matsushita. The company he started in the small house is now known across the world as Panasonic. So in the end, I would like to end up by saying that success is not dependent on how educated you are or how much money you have. Success is all about believing in yourself. And if you are also in pursuit of success, just believe in yourself when no one else does. Survive when other people give up and just wait for that one miracle that will change your life forever. Thank you.